Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to talk about physical products. So we'll uh, discuss about physical product sales, that how can you earn by selling physical products. So to understand better about it, we will read an article on the support.squarespace.com to understand well about it. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read out. Physical products sell physical goods such as furniture, fashion, decor, books, plants, and more. Physical products are merchandise, apparel, and other physical goods you sell to customers. If you sell physical products, you'll need to add at least one shipping or local pickup option to your store. You can add tracking numbers to email notifications so customers can track their shipments. You can sell physical products as a one-time purchase or as a subscription that automatically renews to create a subscription. So you can like sell physical products on Daras. It will be a good option for you to sell quick as possible. So basically it's a video about how can you earn by physical products through Daras. So selling physical products on Daras. So let's go and move forward. So we'll move forward to the step number one, that is choose the product type. When adding a new product, click physical. So that was the step number one. Moving forward to the step number two, edit the product information. Use the name, description, and image fields to add information for your product. Click add images or drag and drop images from a folder on your computer to add images for the product. You can add multiple images. So that is the guide uh, about, I don't know which website is that, but exactly uh, there will be same details in the Daras, so there's no need to worry about it. Moving forward to the step number three, set pricing and stock levels. Under pricing and inventory, set the product's regular price, sell price, quantity, and SKU. To enable a sale, switch the toggle on beside on sale. To give the product an unlimited quantity, switch the toggle on beside unlimited quantity. Step number four, add product variants. Variants are used to create additional options for a product, like different colors, sizes, or designs. To add variants, scroll to variations and click add. After adding product options and variants, return to the main product editor and click edit all to customize. Image. Add a variant image which will display when customers select the variant from the drop down menu on the product details page. SKU. This is the inventory identifier for your product. Squarespace creates one automatically, but you can change it to a SKU that matches your inventory scheme. SKUs must be 20 characters or fewer. Units. The number of units available within option to set an unlimited stock value. Price. Set the price customers will pay for the product with additional options for sale pricing. Sell price. Set the price customers will pay when the product is on sale. Step number 5, add tags and categories. Scroll down to organization and click add beneath categories and tags to organize your products with tags and categories. Adding your categories to your products automatically creates category navigation on your store pages. The style of the navigation varies by template. Step number 6, add product weights and dimensions, optional. State weight and dimensions for product to ship using carried calculated shipping and depending on weight shipping. In the advanced shipping section, you can set the weight and dimensions for each variant. When adding product weights and dimensions, you'll see an error if your product is larger or heavier than your shipping carrier's package size limits. To resolve this, see selling large or heavy products. Step number 7, create a subscription optional. If you are eligible, you can sell the product on a recurring basis. Click subscription and customize the subscription renewal details. Customers who buy subscription products save their billing and shipping information and are charged automatically when their subscription renews. Step number 8, add an SEO description, optional. Scroll down to marketing and click edit to add SEO descriptions to your products. This helps search engines properly index your products, making it easier for people to find your content online. Step number 9, save. Hover over save and click publish to publish the product to your store page. This sets the product as available for purchase. To save the product to your store but keep it hidden and unavailable for purchase, click save. To schedule the product to publish to your live store later, click schedule. Shipping or pickup, additional options, and that's the end of the article. So I hope you've understood everything about physical product selling. So that's it for the today's video. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.